Hello, in this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can short crypto on Kraken so you can profit from price declines. But remember, this is higher risk. So first you will have to ensure that your account is margin enabled and you understand margin requirements and liquidation risk. Next, you will have to choose the trading pair you want to short and open the margin trading interface. After that, you will just have to select sell or open a short position by borrowing the asset. Kraken's platform will outline borrowing and collateral terms. Then you will have to set the size of the position and select order type, market or limit, and any stop loss to manage risk. Finally, monitor your position, maintain required margin to avoid liquidation, and close the short by buying back the asset when you're ready. Quick tip: use conservative leverage and set clear stop losses to protect capital. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.